Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Deidran. Cranium throws award in the garbage. Caribbean Music Awards responds. A clip which was posted to the International Recording Artist Instagram story, which shows him disposing of the award for Best Caribbean R&B Artist, which he was mistakenly given. In a release, the organizers explained that based on fan votes, Dexter Daps was determined the winner of the category with 40.8% of votes, while Cranium received 12.6% of the votes. It went on to say outdated documentation was mistakenly used in creating the winner cards, while adding that they had informed all talent teams of the error prior to the airing of the show. It concluded by saying that the DJ declined to accept the newly proposed category award for Caribbean R&B Song of the Year, and that his management team requested no mention of the error be included in the updated winner's press release. The controversy started earlier this week when the international recording artist Cranium took to social media to air his disdain after he was asked to return the award by the organizers of CMA. Now, earlier this week, ePrime reported that Cranium was asked to return the award, which should have gone to Dexter Daps. Now, on the international scene, Cardi B announces pregnancy with boyfriend Stefan Diggs. The Grammy Award-winning rapper made the announcement on Wednesday during an exclusive interview with CBS Morning's host, Gayle King, that she is expecting her fourth child, first with the NFL player boyfriend.
The latest rumor about you is that you are having a baby, and I want to know what, if anything, you want to share about that with the class.
Well, yes, I am. I'm having a baby with my boyfriend, Stefan Diggs.
Social media had been buzzing with speculation of the pregnancy, which she has been tight-lipped about.
I just was like, can I just say it on my own time? Like, I'm not hiding.
Yeah, on my own time.
Like on my own time. Yes, like it's like on my own terms. Let me close some deals first. You know what I'm saying? Let me close some deals first. And it's like, you know what? You don't really want to say right away that you're pregnant. Like, it's like, let me see a couple of more sonograms. Let my baby be healthy.
Now, Cardi B also revealed that she is expected to give birth before she goes on her arena tour, Little Miss Drama, that will kick off in February. The reveal comes ahead of the highly anticipated release of her second album, Am I the Drama? Cardi B has 3 children with her rapper ex-husband, Offset. Now, Ed Sheeran plans to reveal posthumous album. Ed Sheeran has his final album mapped out. The singer revealed to Apple Music that he has already created the album he wants to be released after he dies, which is titled Eject. The album, which is a part of his will, states that his wife chose the track list for the project. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.